On beautiful flowers. Flowers for summer. See? So nice. This is flowers for summer here. What a beautiful. My God, amazing. Amazing flower. See? I can't believe these flowers bloom during summer. See? See? So nice. And this is also nice flower. I don't know what is the name of this. Summertime, this is bloom. This flower blooms. This plant blooms during summer. What a nice flower. I don't know what's the name of this. Look at this. This is the one that I'm missing one. It looks like a latotsi, but it's not. Wild? I don't know what is this. There's lots of flowers here. See? Same flowers. The sweet 16 is almost finished because it's summer already. Look at this. Sweet 16 almost finished. Look at that. But still nice looking. And this one, little sunflower. I have here sunflower. There, sunflower. So nice. Flowers in our garden. The sweet 16 is almost finished because so hot. Summer is approaching. Look at these flowers. Cute.